Shabib Jovijari, Persian, born in 1967. Ahwaz is one of the representatives of Ahwaz in the Islamic Consultative Assembly, Iran's parliament, and is a member of the National Security and Foreign Policy Commission, in the Majlis. Joveijari, who is among the Iranian Arabs, was also the representative of the people of Ahvaz, Bavi, Hamidiyeh and Karun in the 7th and 8th terms of the Islamic Consultative Assembly. Shabib Joveijari was born in a religious family in 1967 in the city of Ahvaz. His father, Abdul Hamid Joveijari, was the representative and lawyer of all Maraja-al-Taqlid. Shabib Joveijari is the current representative of Ahwaz in the Majlis, and was the Deputy Minister of Strategic Affairs, in the Government and Parliament of the World Forum for Proximity of Islamic Schools of Thought. He was also the chairman of the Parliamentary Committee of the Secretariat of the Supreme National Security Council, and ambassador of the Islamic Republic of Iran to the Republic of Sudan and Eritrea.